Guys, it's me again. What I'm gonna show you today is where to find the gun store. Yeah, the gun store. Okay, first you want to go to this location. City of Moresby. Right here. You want to go over there. Just give me a chance to get there first. Oh, shoot, did you hear that? Oh! Freaking. Oh! No chiz. Hate walkers, almost deadly in groups. Don't you think? Sorry, I'm walking slow. It's because like I'm holding the camera and what? Oh God! Holy crap! No chiz. I'm dying here. You can see me. I'm not aiming because like I'm holding the camera in one hand. And I'm playing with the other hand. Okay, 80 meters away. Okay. Sorry, that was my little sister. She just walked by. Okay, okay. I'm sorry. Okay, right here. It is right in here. To get into this gun store, you need to be in chapter 15. But my way is like this. Okay. Remember that glitch I showed you guys? About the one going through doors? Yeah. Mwaha, I'm cheating. Then I just wanna... Oh! You can see I am actually in the gun store. Yeah. But the door's closed, so I can't get out. So this is retarded for me. Oh. And look at that. Those stupid piece of crap guns are just like mocking me like, you want me, I know you do. Felipe, get my gun. Well, screw you freaking guns. Once you get to chapter 15, you go to this location. You find two people that want to get in. They want to get into this gun store. Then those two people will open the door, this gates, and they will release the weapons. Right now I can't get them. I just started a new game because I passed it all like just 2 days ago. So yeah, that's how you get in the gun store. But once you're in here, if you don't have any grenades, there should be a you see this fire hydrant? Shoot it, and you're done to get out of here. Okay, well, bye guys.